Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will discuss 2013 GATE question. In this question, it is saying a band limited signal with a maximum frequency of 5 kHz is to be sampled. According to the sampling theorem, the sampling frequency which is not valid is A 5 kHz, B 12 kHz, C 15 kHz, D as 20 kHz. In this question, we have to find which sampling frequency is not valid. From the basics of the sampling theorem, we have a message signal and we pass this message signal through the impulse train. So in the sampling signal, we got the message signal only where the impulse train is present. If we want to try to understand the concept of the sampling in the simple language, then we pass this message signal through a switch. So we got the message signal when switch is on, and we do not get any kind of message signal when switch is off. This is the simple on and off concept behind the sampling. In this diagram, the gap between the two interval is called as the time interval, and the sampling theorem states that when we want to reconstruct our message signal from this sampled signal, then we can easily reconstruct our message signal if fs is as greater than and twice of fm. So fs is the sampling frequency and fm is the bandwidth of the message signal. So it states that fs should be greater than and equal to twice of fm, and this time interval is reciprocal of this sampling frequency. So we find fs as twice of fm, that is 2 multiplied by 5, because the maximum frequency of the band limit signal is 5 kHz. So we got fs as the 10 kHz, and the sampling theorem states that fs should be greater than and equal to twice of fm. So the frequency which are greater than 10 kHz are in the range of the sampling frequency, and the frequency which below the 10 kHz is not as the fs. And from the diagram it is clear that 12 kHz is greater than 10 kHz, 15 and 20 as well. So the option A is not greater than 10 kHz. So option is as correct answer, because 5 kHz is not as the sampling frequency.